Hello, welcome to Mr. Fix It Electronics Quick Repair Tips. Today I'd like to tell you how to for preventing viruses, a quick tip that you can do is go to your desktop, create a folder, call it whatever, downloads, and what you can do is, if you've got to do some downloading, in this case I'm downloading a driver. Sometimes some sites you never know what driver you're downloading and from where you're getting it, but it could be advantageous to just create that download folder and download everything to that folder that you're downloading from the internet. And that goes for downloading from, download sites like LimeWire or BitTorrent sites. Download everything to that folder, and then when you're done with the download, you can do a quick scan with your antivirus scanner as well as your malware scanner, and just right click on the folder and click scan with, in this case I got a popular free scanner. It's an AVG scanner. Scan it with AVG and away you go, and you're done. Talk to you soon.